Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw Doraemon. So let's get started. First make a circle for the face of Doraemon. Now make two oval shapes for the eyes of the Doraemon, just like this and this. Add two small circles for the eyeballs inside the eyes, like this and this. Now make the face. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified we post a new video. Enjoy watching. Now make a small circle for the nose and inverted T shape. Now make a semicircle for the big smile. And now make 3 lines in the both side of the Doraemon to complete the face. Now make the bell. For bell we are making a UFO shape, and make a huge round for the body as well. Now we'll again make a big smile. Actually it's a pocket of Doraemon. Make 2 straight line in the both side for making the body of Doraemon, and joint in the ends for making the legs, like this and this. For hands, make the shape like this and then make small circles at the end, and it's done. Now we will color the Doraemon with blue color and a simply red color for the neck and for the nose. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.